This episode will discuss the recent surge in Bitcoin prices and its remarkable overnight movement. We're up roughly 6%, as you can see. The SBI interview with Brad Garlinghouse is now completely related to the XRP Ledger. We're going to talk about a Ripple and the relationship with China early next year. And since things look a little hazy right now, we're going to look at the markets where we are heading from here. Without further ado, guys, I got you covered. Please take a seat, unwind, and enjoy. Come on, let's do it. Ethereum is currently up 3.39% for 3-1, while Bitcoin has experienced a rise of 5.18% in the last 24 hours. Over the last 24 hours, the total number of cryptocurrencies has seen a mean lean of 50 cents, or 2.71, with DTA and USDC both returning to their dollar pegs. The markup remains at $2 trillion, or $379 billion. The current state of the world is a matter of concern. You are aware of Israel. There have been, I'm not sure why, numerous claims that Israel is bombing Iran, and some people are claiming this was World War III, wasn't it? The World War may be going to end 100%. Is this going to have a 100% impact on the cryptocurrency prices in the world's economies? We haven't seen it yet. Many people choose to take sides and argue about it. That's the reason this is so challenging. Oh, prepare for blood today. When they heard about the bombing last night, everyone called. However, as you can see, the markets behaved oppositely, so we must pay attention. You have limited time left to replenish your NFTs. The leading project on the XRP Ledger has had a spectacular month. As of right now, there aren't many of these Wild West pride tiers remaining. Not many remain. You bought 5. That's how you're going to obtain 2 free NFTs. It's that easy. 5 points on the deluxe list indicate that on May 1st, you will receive an additional amount of XRP. See how this works? See, do you not? Why do people hate us while we are leading the XRP Ledger project? This is the natural outcome of doing good deeds, precisely what we see here. Everything we're doing is correct. We consistently create, grow, and set the standard, and I can confidently predict that Ripple will eventually catch up with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, after 12 hours and 6 minutes, the celebration has begun. We are getting closer. You'll most likely see a lot of them. You can expect what will happen when live feeds for a Bitcoin event go off. There will be a Bitcoin haven, and there will be a Bitcoin haven. It will not produce any results. It shouldn't yield any positive outcomes. The negative impacts are already evident. Now, the issue is, will the markets react negatively? Will the markets move higher and break the $74,000 region, signaling the beginning of the golden bull run, or will there be a rejection and a retest? The price is currently back within the range of low to mid 50,000. In the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin has recovered above 62K. Calories, you're referring to the recent reports of Israel's attack causing only minor damage, correct? Israel the first strike, or Iran's first strike in Israel, reduced the risk associated with cryptocurrency assets and caused gold prices to rise. $55,000 is the next Bitcoin milestone. The market is still in chaos. Analyst, I mentioned that current global events will have an impact on market conditions, correct? As of right now, not much is visible. Yes, the costs are. It will be interesting to observe how the remainder of today develops. If you didn't see my video, I still have money on the sidelines. That was published last night. Listen to me, I'm still holding my money on the sidelines. I'm waiting, and I really think we'll see one last push below $60,000, which I believe will present our last purchasing chance. I'm placing my bets there. If I'm wrong, I'll be the first to admit it. I'm talking about the next 2 to 3 weeks. At these prices, I won't be purchasing. I currently own too much. Cryptocurrency values increased. I hold a substantial amount of cash that I am eager to reinvest. If we make a comeback, I'll buy in again. Less than 60K, I have my luggage packed, so I won't be unhappy if we don't. Folks, that's just how I'm playing this. Extremely optimistic Brad Garlinghouse of Fox Business Milan highlighted a significant aspect of the Ripple stablecoin. You're absolutely right, XRP will greatly benefit from the XRP Ledger. It will pass. I believe that people who are skeptical overlook the fact that XRP usage is necessary for the Ripple stablecoin to function. That's absurd. It applied to all XRP. Owners of Bank XRP listed the following main advantages of the stable cryptocurrency Ripple: prioritizing enterprise-grade compliance and mental liquidity. There is transparency in the decentralized exchange. The stablecoin will have multi-chain compatibility and a stablecoin reserve. XRP examines a volume of 86 billion. Over the last day, $4 billion in volume has been generated. Alright, what else do we have? Are all the stables we can visit actually stables? Will we soon be able to see any wells? Probably not, but as you can see, I could receive enough volume for 5 billion uses. I won't be upset about the back end of XRP. That will be a massive, huge step forward. Furthermore, this stablecoin is significant. Everyone will benefit from it, as well as the fact that it will be multi-chain and run on the XRP Ledger, which uses XRP each time it is utilized. This is significant. This is a major Ripple MMA event. Wang emphasizes that SBI, Ripple's partner, is ultimately what I've been waiting for. Since 2017, they have been planning to use the XRP Ledger, although first for an Expo 2025 event in Japan. During this event, they will be giving out to every guest. To increase utilization, I hope they will let you know about an XRP, a payment, or something else over there in the Expo. Although that would be lovely, you know I won't be upset if you utilize the NFT space. Just bring some. Bring additional. Paying attention to NFTs on the XRP Ledger correctly, the Global 2025 in Osaka, which runs from April to October, will begin in approximately a year. There will be blood. Well, I did pose the question, where's the blood? Right now, all I can see on the 24-hour at this hour, everyone seems to be expecting a gory day due to these conceivable world scenarios, but all I see is green. Events like war are occurring frequently. Money is shifting towards gold, but the question remains, will a significant amount of money also shift towards cryptocurrency? Many people have been waiting for this, therefore, let's send these local currencies to these countries. As of yet, Bitcoin hasn't even appeared to have a hitch. It's credible to release this video discussing Bitcoin. This is just the beginning. Hello everyone, I wanted to share this short, impromptu movie with you before I go out for the evening. Many questions exist regarding the current state of Bitcoin PA, so let's review the recent events. First, a downtrend swept these local lows. However, it did not sweep the lower time frame range lows, which I have been stating I expect to defend until we make another move higher. This news shook everyone out. Something happened, and I told you that you had to learn about it as it was happening. You should not ignore this information, as you may not be at your best if you make hasty decisions or panic in Excel due to a recent news incident without thoroughly reviewing all the available data. Choices: don't be afraid to sell at the lowest price possible. In this instance, the data I'm referring to is, of course, the data that we have been examining for a considerable amount of time, which indicates that even though the spot has been trading at a premium, funding has actually briefly turned negative and open interest has completely spiked, so there isn't really much of a reason for us to fall lower. I have been discussing this kind of data for a while now. However, when things like this occur, it's almost like they're giving you a reason to ignore the facts and simply play to your feelings. 9 times out of 10, this won't benefit you. However, putting that aside, people are now asking me questions like, okay, well, we've taken these local lows we still have, so you see what's saying he thinks we can move to the upside. And you know what's saying that when we get from a $70 to like $72,000 range is the critical moment, right? So Bitcoin's even going to take those, and it's going to push upward, considerably higher, because even if it does want to retest, it won't want to do that one. What does he want to find? He is searching for the location we are looking for, indicated by the green box. In the medium to medium 50 range, 54 to 57 would be the last points below the current Bitcoin price. I'm telling you this right now before it gets too ridiculous. It's becoming low. I anticipate XRP to move. As well as main June, I have been calling the primary June for a while now, and I refuse to change. What is Bitcoin? Is the timeline question that I will not stray from. This is the timeline question that I will not stray from. Will it surpass the $72,000 mark, or will it give us one last chance?